Yeah, that's L-I-S-A. Lisa! Woo! My balloon! Oh, my pool! Wow, and it is the color red! Well done, red! Wow! Well, now I love playing with my pool. We're gonna do something so fun today. Come, let me show you. Wow, look what I have prepared for us. Wow, look at this table. Can you see what's on the table? Wow, we have a orange. We have a toy shark. Wow, baby shark. Then we have a red and blue fire truck. Whoa. And then we have a rugby ball. Wow, have you ever played rugby? Wow, that's cool. And then we have a green avocado. I love avocados. They are so yummy. And we have a bottle of water right here. Oh! Really, mermaid? Wow, did you know that if you put your ear really close to the seashell, you can hear the ocean? Wow! Maybe you can talk to a mermaid. Hi there! Wow, and today I want to do something really fun! Whoa! My balloon! Wow! Today I want to do a sink or float experiment! I love science, do you? Yeah, me too. And I want to try an experiment where we throw things into the pool and we will see if they will sink all the way to the bottom of the pool or they will float. Do you want to try that with me? Yeah, come on. Okay. So, what shall we start off with first? Okay, well, let's try with this rugby ball. Okay, let's see. Do you think this rugby ball will sink or float? Sink or float? Okay, let's find out. Here we go. Wow! Is it sinking? No! The ball is floating! The rugby ball floats! Wow! So cool! Okay, let's try another one. Come on! Wow! Shall we go for an avocado? Do you think that this avocado will sink or float? Sink, float, sink, float. Really? Okay, let's give it a try. Okay. Wow. Did you see? Look, it's all the way at the bottom of the pool. The avocado sunk. Wow. It is very heavy. Now, let's try another one. Come on. Should I try this little fire machine? Yeah, fire truck. Do you think that this fire truck will sink or float? Sink, float, sink, float. Really? Okay, let's give it a try. Right. Here we go, here we go. Whoa! Is it sinking or not? Well, it did go underwater. Look, it's going down very, very slowly. Whoa, but it is sinking. Whoa! But not as fast as the avocado. Boing! It reached the bottom of the pool. Wow! I didn't think that fire truck will sink, but it did because when it popped into the water, it wasn't going down straight away. Whoa, that was fun. Let's try another one. Come on. Wow. I wonder, Do you think this water bottle, which has lots of water inside, will sink or float? Well, let's try. Sink, float, sink, float, sink or float. What do you think? Really? Okay, let's try. Okay. Right. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Whoa, did you see? That water bottle came back up. So as I dropped it inside, it sunk, but then it came back up again. I wonder why. We will find out very soon. Wow, and look, there is the bottle. It's swimming in the swimming pool. We have this cool big Red Bull left. Boing, 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 boing. Whee! Boing, boing, boing. And then we have an orange and a shark. Wow. Okay, let's go for the orange. And do we think that this orange will sink or float? Sink, float, sink, float. Really? Okay, let's give it a try. Right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Look, the orange is floating. But did you see that it went down halfway as it landed in? And it's not sinking, it's floating. That's really, really interesting. Let's go and try another one. Come on. Whoa! Let's go for the shark. Baby shark, do baby shark, do baby shark. Do you think that this little plastic shark will sink or float? Sink, float, sink, float. Really? Okay, let's give it a try. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, look, the shark is going all the way to the bottom. Whoa, and the shark sunk. Whoa, I didn't think the shark would sink. I thought the shark would swim, 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 swim. Whoa, whoa, like this. Whoa. Swim, swim, swim. Swim, swim, swim. Whoa. Hey, did you see? I'm acting like a shark. Can you act like a shark? Look, put your 2 hands together like this and then put them above your head. Whoa, shark, 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 shark. Now we have one more final thing left to test, and that is my Lisa's big red ball. Come on. Whoa, look at my ball. I wonder if it's gonna sink or float. Whoa. Okay, let's give it a try. Do you think it's gonna sink or float? Sink, float, sink, float. Really? Give it a try. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! My red ball didn't even go under the water. It's floating. Wow! Whoa, that's a lot of fun. Now let's have a look what has sunk and what has floated. Wow, so the water bottle did not sink and it's got a lot of water inside of it. The orange is floating, water bottle floating, big red ball is floating. Let's see, the rugby ball is floating. Then what else? Well, the fire truck has sunk. The little shark has sunk. But where is the avocado? Let's have a look for it. Let's put our licking goggles on and have a look for the avocado. Avocado. Hey, did you take the avocado? No? Is it in the pool? Okay, let's keep on looking. Avocado, where are you? Oh, there is the avocado. Look, right over here. It's moved. here is the green avocado, and the avocado has sunk. Wow! Whoa! Hey, do you know why some things sink while other things float? Let's have a think. Why does one object sink and the other one floats? Let's have a look. Well, because one object can contain oxygen inside, air. That's right. And it is very difficult to sink air because air always pops up again. That's why this bottle is not sinking. Whoa, see? Look, and that water bottle is going to come back up again. Then, if we look at that orange right there, that orange still has some air inside of it. That's why it is not sinking. And then if we have a look at that big red ball, how am I going to get my red ball out? Okay, well that red ball also has a lot of air inside. And you can't sink air. It's very, very difficult. And finally, this rugby ball is also filled with air. And that's the reason it's not sinking. Whee! However, this fire truck is quite a heavy object all the way right at the bottom, and it has no more air inside of it. And all the parts where water can get air inside has, so that has sunk it. Then the blue shark as well has no air inside. That's why the shark sunk. Now let's see finally the avocado right at the bottom over here. Whoa, where is it? Down there. The avocado has no air inside and it is very heavy as well. That's why it sunk. Whoa, did you like my experiment? It was so much fun. I love science. Do you like science? Yeah, me too. It is so much fun. Now, I can't wait to see you in my next video. But before then, search for my name. That's Lisa. Lisa. And I will see you very soon. Bye-bye. Whoa. Now I need to get out all these things. Let's see. Can you help me? Okay, come on. Whoa, look at this. I use this to clean up the pool. Okay, let's get the water bottle out. Right over here. We can put it down on there. Then we need to get our rugby ball. Right over here. Whee! Here is the rugby ball. And then we need to get the orange. Wow! Right over here. There we go. Yummy! Then we need to get the little fire truck. Whoa! There is the fire truck. And then we need to get the baby shark. Baby shark. Whoa, I'm really struggling to get this baby shark. Whoa! Look! Here is the baby shark. And finally, we need the avocado. Come on. Whoa, there is the avocado. We've got everything out. Now that was so much fun. Hey, can you try this experiment at home? And you don't need this very big pool. You can try it in your bathtub. That's right. Ask a grown-up to help you, and it's going to be so much fun. Well, but make sure to do it with your grown-up. Now, I can't wait to have more fun science experiments with you. Bye-bye. Oh, hey, did you subscribe? That's the big red button underneath this video. Press subscribe to watch more of Lisa's videos. And please give Lisa a big